In this episode, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I'm doing my Valentine tablescape for dinner for my husband and myself. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes together, then you know what to do. Stick around.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Now you may ask, why is the head of the table different, the placemat different than the rest of the table? Well, I wanted to set my husband apart. I wanted him to see how special he was. And I wanted to, I like copper, so I wanted that to be the point of him having a different placemat. So I wanted to really to stand out and for him to see that he is special to me.
If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. It's hard to leave with you still on my mind. To pack my things and leave it all behind. We better find out why we do the things we do. It took me some time, but I realize now it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for It's all for you. You better listen now, 'cause I can say this one more time. It's all for you. I think that we should give it one more try. Give it one more try. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Now let's share where every item came from. Now the placemat came from Amazon. The black charger came from Hobby Lobby. The red and white plate is a Dollar Tree plate. The love plate is a Hobby Lobby plate that was bought a few years back. The red napkin came from the Tablecloths factory. The double heart napkin ring that came from Amazon. And the black flatware came from Temu. Isn't that pretty? I like that. As I said, the flatware came from Temu. And that metallic red looks really pretty. And then the red stemware I already had. It was thrifted years ago. The black glass was a DIY. The candle holders, all 4 were thrifted. The crystal vase was a gift. Everything I already had in my stash. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know down below in the comments. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.